If you're Chinita like me and you love birria tacos, you gotta try out these birria bombs right here. These spice bombs, oh, so easy. We're gonna start off with some chuck roast, salt and pepper it, sear it on both sides. Then we're gonna remove it to a different pot, throw in some onions, saute it up, and then we're gonna get our spice bomb and throw it in with about 3 to 4 cups of water. I added some bay leaves in there. We're gonna boil it down, and then we're gonna add our chuck roast back in and cook for an hour. And then our meat is gonna come out soft and tender and juicy, just like this. Look at that. Check the link in the bio for an Instant Pot. Then we're gonna get our cast iron skillet and add some bacon grease. Dip that tortilla in that birria sauce. We're gonna fry it on both sides, add that cheese in there. Then we're gonna add the meat on top of the cheese and then add some more cheese on top because we want it super duper cheesy. Ooh, get some more of that juice, flip it on over and sear on both sides until even more crispier. Look at this, so delicious. You guys gotta check out this birria spice bomb right here.